bunch of the garage elevators here at the IKEA in East Palo Alto, California.
Oh, they got modded. Why would you mod these?
For Fujitec with ERM. Now they're modded with newer ERM. Damn.
Man, what kind of stupid mod is this?
Oh my god, listen. Was that the door operator or music?
Music. Last time we were here, they were actually replacing the pumps in these.
Yeah, I didn't know they were doing a full mod.
Maybe it should.
I think it opens this side.
This.
Oh. Epic motor time.
What is wrong with that motor?
Dude, that
Oh my
sounds
God.
so bad. What the hell?
Check this out. It's just open outside. Oh, look at this. They're at different heights.
What the hell? Okay, let's go down to G and get the other car. Dude, I thought they replaced the pumps.
They did.
That sounds horrible, dude.
That's what's sad. This mod is a huge
18,000 pounds.
downgrade. How big is it right
15,000. This thing is massive. Damn. Oh, the other one's going down. Hopefully we can catch them. Nice. Let's see if this one sounds any better. It almost hurts your ears, kinda, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm gonna end it up here.
Yeah, my video's almost already 5 minutes. Very strange elevators.